Fault-tolerant quantum computing represents the next major milestone in the evolution of quantum technology. Unlike current noisy quantum systems, fault-tolerant machines are designed to continue performing accurate calculations even when individual physical qubits experience errors caused by noise, temperature, fluctuations, or environmental disturbances. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The foundation of fault toleration lies in quantum error correction. Instead of relying on a single qubit, a logical qubit is created by combining many physical qubits. This redundancy allows the system to detect and correct errors before they affect the final computation. The probability of obtaining an incorrect result depends on the quality of the physical qubits and the effectiveness of the error correction code. While a single physical qubit may have an error rate of 1 in 1,000 or worse, a properly protected logical qubit can reduce the error probability to extremely low levels, potentially 1 in billions or even trillions of operations. This dramatic improvement is achieved because multiple errors must occur simultaneously before the logical qubit fails. As more physical qubits are added, the chance of an undetected error decreases exponentially, making long and complex computations practical. For industries such as pharmaceuticals, material science, finance, cybersecurity, and logistics, fault control quantum computers could unlock unprecedented computational power. Companies including IBM, Google, Microsoft, Quantinuum, and PSI Quantum are investing heavily in this technology because reliable logical qubits are considered the key to transforming quantum computing from experimental systems into commercially viable platforms. Let's look into today's headlines. Fujitsu and Anthropic partner to strengthen AI and critical infrastructure security. Fujitsu has entered into a strategic partnership with Anthropic. Through this partnership, Fujitsu will combine Anthropic's advanced AI technologies with Fujitsu's long-established industry and business expertise, as well as its capabilities in building and operating systems in mission-critical domains. Through these efforts, Fujitsu will drive the full-scale acceleration of AI transformation for Japanese enterprises while contributing to enhancing the safety and reliability to social infrastructure, including critical systems. Fujitsu will initially thoroughly adopt and utilize Anthropic's AI technologies, including Claude, across its own organization. The Supreme Court directs all emergency numbers in India to be integrated into 112. A landmark Supreme Court order now could fundamentally change how emergency assistance works across the country, with India's single emergency response number 112 set for a major overhaul. In a significant judgment, the Supreme Court directed all states and union territories to integrate multiple emergency helpline numbers such as 100 for police, 101 for fire, 102 and 108 for ambulance, 1033 for highway emergency, and 1091 for women's helpline into the unified 112 emergency response system within 3 months. The court also linked emergency medical response directly to the constitutional right to life under Article 21. AI chatbot Samadhan Didi launched to simplify grievance filing across India. The Government of India launched Samadhan Didi, an AI-enabled voice-first chatbot for the centralized public grievance redress and monitoring system, enabling citizens to register grievances simply by speaking in their preferred language. A first-of-a-kind initiative, the chatbot is designed to help citizens lodge grievances with ease, particularly those who are unsure whether to submit a complaint or whom to address it to, and those who are unable to draft complaints in Hindi or English. OpenAI brings computer use to Codex app on Windows. OpenAI announced that Codex app users on Windows 11 now have computer use capabilities and ChatGPT mobile app integration. OpenAI first brought computer use capabilities, which lets the AI use the apps, data, and other resources on a PC even when it is not in use, to the Codex app on Mac OS back in April. It then brought Codex capabilities to the ChatGPT mobile app in May so that users could interact with Codex on desktop, only Mac at a time while on the go. Microsoft faces backlash as GitHub Copilot ends flat-rate AI pricing from June 1st. Microsoft is set to make a big change to GitHub Copilot's pricing structure from today, that is 1st of June, with developers openly voicing their frustration about the change, with some even threatening to switch to alternatives. Microsoft is changing its pricing structure from the existing flat-tier model to a new usage-based system where costs for users will be calculated based on token consumption. In a blog post explaining the change, Microsoft said the move to a usage-based system is necessary to create a sustainable and reliable Copilot business and experience for all users. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and follow VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.